জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
I thought the way I considered you my own, Tapabrata would also consider my Jeet and Piku his own. But the day I got to know that he had bequeathed all his business and properties to you and deprived Jeet and Piku. Believe me, Deepu. Believe me, I couldn't look them in the eye. That day I realized that Tapabrata never accepted Jeet and Piku as his sons. If he had accepted them, he wouldn't have taken such a big decision. He would have never deprived them of their rights like this. Think about it, Deepu. Just think once. What would you have done if you were at my place? Tapabrata could give everything to Nayan in place of you, but not my sons. Why? Why don't they deserve anything? All right, let's leave Piku. But what about Jeet? You all trusted him, right? Trusted him very much. So then, why didn't he get anything? Couldn't Tapabrata trust him either? That means, after all these years of sacrificing and doing so much for the family, we aren't part of this family, right? Aren't we part of this family? Deepu, I got scared for my sons. I was worried, trust me. I wondered if I made a mistake by depriving them of everything and loving you. Did I harm my sons in a bid to shower another's son with love? Looks like the medicine has worked, but the cry needs to be more convincing. Tell me, Deepu. Just tell me. I'm their mother. Is it a crime for a mother to wish well for her sons? Answer me, tell me. Don't stay silent. Answer me. And tell me one more thing, Deepu. If I have cheated you, didn't Tapabrata also cheat Jeet and Piku? Didn't he do the wrong thing by depriving them of the properties? If I am wrong for behaving like a stepmother, then what did Tapabrata do? Did he behave like a father to my sons too? Don't stay quiet, Deepu. Tell me, am I wrong?
That's true. There's no mention of Jeet and Piku in Dad's will. Not even Mom. As if they never existed in his life.
First dose worked fine. Now it's time for the second dose, the emotional dose. This is all I wanted to tell you, Deepu. Just this much. That's it. Now I can leave peacefully. No matter what anyone thinks about me. I hope you can understand my position now. At least you will know that the person you called Mom made a mistake out of fear, not because of my disposition.
I'm leaving now.
Remember me as your mother if you can. Not as a stepmother. Because of my one sin. Don't call the love I had for you throughout my life, eh? Don't call it a lie. I have given such a dose of emotion to the emotional Dripto, which he can never forget. He will have to come to stop me. He will come for sure.
There she comes. There she comes with the luggage. Lourdes. Oh, Lourdes Vishalakshi. Does this mean that Aunt Pratima was right? Did Dripto realize his own good? Could he save himself from the enemies, Lourdes? Dripto is not coming after Mother Sanjukta. That means she couldn't melt Sir's heart.
Hey, couldn't you influence Dripto? I thought you would bring him along.
Mom, are you really leaving this house? Among all this distress, I'm happy that you have decided to leave the house. If you had stayed in this house, it would have been even more shameful for me. Mom, I want to trust you again. I want to have my mother back. The mother who would give me medicines if I fell sick and not think about the property. Mom, try to rectify your mistake just once. I'll do my best. I will do my level best to earn and feed you, Mom. I just have one request. Please. Please be nice, Mom. Just be nice. This Jeet is becoming irritating day by day. Honesty. Will this honesty feed us? I can't take this anymore. I'm feeling hopeless, uncle. The entire plan is getting ruined in front of our eyes. He didn't melt. Dripto Basu didn't melt. Who would want to let go of such a huge business and property? Forget it. Uncle Vicky, let's follow Mom.
See, didn't I tell you that she won't be able to melt his heart anymore?
Dripto got a huge shock, Nayan. He won't look back at Sanjukta anymore.
That's good, grandmother. But I couldn't stop Jeet. He's also leaving. One can't get everything they want. Right, Lotus?
Why isn't Deepu coming yet? Why isn't he calling me? Call me, Deepu. Call me.
Do you feel bad about Jeet? Me too. But you know what? There's a saying that everything happens for the best.
I believe it too, Aunt Pratima. Aunt Pratima, it seems Lotus Vishalakshi has showered her blessings upon us. She has answered our prayers this time. That's the reason Sir turned his back on Mother Sanjukta. I could get him rid of his enemies, Aunt Pratima. At last I could get him rid of his enemies. I hope he never melts again. Sir should never ever melt again.
Does it mean Deepu will really not come? Oh Lord, did everything get messed up? Will I have to really go down to the streets? Has Deepu become so smart that I couldn't melt his heart even with my tears? All right, Dripto Basu. Today I'm going out to the street. But I won't rest easy until I ruin you.
Wait, Mom. Mom, you won't go anywhere.
Oh, Lotus Vishalakshi, what is this? Why did he come downstairs?
No, Mom, none of you will go anywhere from here. No one will go anywhere. I won't let anyone go.
No, Deepu. Don't stop us. We have no right to stay in this house. We don't have any right to stay in this house.
You do, Mom. You do have a right. My two brothers, Piku and Jeet, have as much right to the house as I do. They have equal rights. I'm telling this in front of everyone. The will that Dad has made is unjust. property should have been divided into 3 equal parts. But Dad didn't do that. So I will rectify the mistake my dad has made. Mom, I promise you, I won't deprive my brothers of their share. I cannot do this.
Are you telling the truth, Dripto? Are you telling the truth? Even after all that has happened, you are still thinking about your brothers. You're talking about equal distribution of the property. Does a brother like you exist in today's world? Does a person like you exist? I feel like I'm looking at the Lord myself. You belong to the heavens.
Uncle, you're overdoing it.